test equipment is the same as buying capital equipment. You have to have something that is going to return your investment. Now, whether you're doing it for aftermarket service and getting that in a monetary investment, or you're getting it in a use investment for your development needs, your equipment must be robust, it must be agile, expandable, current, and kept up to date. It has to be dependable. So when you have a piece of test equipment, you don't want to have any doubts that that piece of test equipment is doing its job or not.
So the key factors that you're going to be looking at is what the customer needs. So these are the specific components that we're going to be testing. We're also going to be looking into future potential.
A lot of times the best process is when we can be a technical resource to the customer and help them develop their SAL.
Everyone's going to want to look at price, but it's a lot more than price. You want to look for someone who is going to work with you and who is going to cooperate with you. You want someone who can offer technical expertise that is beyond what you need, someone who can consult with you to make sure that your entire testing operation is going to work together seamlessly.
Testek is the lowest risk solution primarily for two major reasons. We have the experience and the know-how. Our people are experts on test. We're not product designers, we're test equipment designers.
One of the advantages of a Testek system really is that since we've got a lot of depth in the field, a lot of experience with different stands, we've seen a lot of things go right and go wrong.
At Testek Solutions, trust and reliability is very important to us for our customers and building lasting relationships with our customers.
And at the end of the day, customer delight is what we like to look for.
You come to Testek because you need confidence. You need confidence in your test equipment. You come to us because we're the ones who have been in business the longest. We're the ones who have done the greatest variety of test equipment, from avionics equipment to hydraulic carts.
Testek was founded on OEM relationships, starting back with Pratt & Whitney, and throughout the years it has grown.
Many cases our equipments and designs go into the OEM production equipment.
Our goal is not simply to sell a machine. We are interested in establishing a long-term relationship with a customer.
So our design process has to go hand in hand with the review of what the customer requirements are, so that at the end, when we do that factory acceptance test, what we're running is going to meet the requirements for the customer.
What we do is we set up the entire test system in our manufacturing facility in as close to a configuration as possible as the end customer's facility. And we will take preferably test units from the customer and we will test them here in our facility, so that after we ship it to the customer's facility, it saves time and money on installation and commissioning so that you can get your business up and running right away.
Service and support is critical for our customers, and we have a dedicated group in the Aftermarket group to handle service and support.
Our goal is to make it a pleasant situation and to try to help them quickly. We understand that they're either in a production mode or they're in other type of test mode, and time is of the essence, and we realize that.
And I believe that our team members are truly what sets Testek Solutions apart.
When you walk out onto our floor and you see over 50 pieces of test equipment that are larger than most large rooms, and you see the complexity of the mechanicals, the hydraulics, the electricals, the computer software that's required to put that together, and it's a work of art.